Seeing the one of the update services is not running properly error in Windows? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Press the Win plus R keys to open the Run command box. Then type services.msc and press Enter key. In the pop-up window, find and double-click the Windows Update service. In the Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic. If the service status is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply and OK sequentially. Then go back to the Services window, find and double-click Background Intelligent Transfer Service. In the pop-up window, ensure the startup type is set to Automatic. Click Start if the service status is stopped. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Once done, restart your computer and check if the error is fixed. Go to Settings, Update and Security Troubleshoot. Additional troubleshooters. Then in the pop-up window, click the Windows Update option and select Run the Troubleshooter. Then you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete troubleshooting. Once done, restart your computer to see if the error is fixed. You can try to remove the conflicting apps to repair one of the update services not running properly error. To find out the conflicting apps, you can perform a clean boot, and then check if you can update the operating system now. And also, if your BIOS and system drivers are outdated, the one of the update services is not running properly, issue may also occur, so try updating it.